Tax season is here, and social media is full of advice.
Always, but should we listen to that advice? The concern is the advice is often not from tax preparers and could cause problems. Allison Gormley tells us what's the deal.
Before social media, tax return mishaps might include math miscalculations.
Mostly errors on tax returns, nothing too egregious.
But now, Stacey Engel with the IRS said some people are trying out bad advice.
Social media has encouraged folks to apply for credits and deductions that they don't necessarily qualify for.
One example, the fuel tax credit.
Basically, you have to be in business and have off-road fuel. Farmers, aviation fuel, stuff like that. So it's very, very few individuals that actually qualify.
Another example, changing how much you make to get a bigger refund.
People inflating their incomes or reducing their income in order to be eligible for certain credits, such as the earned income tax credit or to qualify for the child tax credit.
Unsure if you qualify for something? Check the IRS website or contact a tax professional. Otherwise, problems can produce delays, audits, and penalties.
Just a reminder, this year, no tax on overtime also applies. However, it's not on your W-2. They didn't make that change yet, so you'll likely have to check your last pay stub of the year. As you may or may not know, your overtime is exempt from federal tax.
Yeah. Okay.
Just the overtime.
All right.
Just the overtime.
That's a good reminder, though, not to take advice on social media on tax stuff or really anything.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right?
But verify.
Just a reminder,
There are a lot of experts online.
everything you see online is not true. Is that what you're saying,
That's
Justin?
basically what I'm saying, believe it or not. Yeah.
I know.
Thank you, Allison.
Crazy town.
If you like Allison's What's the Deal segments, catch your show streaming on WTHR Plus. Download the app now on Roku, Fire Stick, and Apple TV.